Let's take a quick look at Microsoft Word. When you open Microsoft Word, it opens to a blank document, so it's ready for you to type. But let's just take a quick look at what all we see when we open Word the first time. Up at the top here we have the title bar, and you can see it gives the document name and the software program. So this is Document 1 in Microsoft Word. On the left side up here in the left corner we have a quick access toolbar which allows us to open a new blank document, save a document, undo or redo something we've done on our screen. Those are things that are used frequently, so they're in this quick access toolbar. Across the top here you see we have different tabs. I'm going to click first on the File tab, and this is where you'll find the commands for save, save as, open, print, or exit if you're ready to exit from Word. The Home tab is the one tab you'll probably use the most frequently, and across the Home tab you'll see that this is called the ribbon as it goes across the screen here. So we have a clipboard group, a font grouping, a paragraph group, styles, and then over here some editing. So if we click on the font group, you can see here that it's a font name. You can select different font styles, different sizes. You can change the size of your font or the color or make it bold. In the paragraph grouping on this Home tab ribbon, we have ways to insert a bullet list or a numbered list or to align our text. Each of these groupings has a little place in the bottom right corner where you can click, and this opens the extended menu or the extended menu for that particular group. So you'll find additional settings on that extended menu. You also have on your screen a scroll bar. This on the right side, it's going to scroll up and down your document. We have a status bar down here. In the left corner you can see that this document is page 1 of 1. You'll want to pay close attention to this because in some assignments you're going to be asked to make your document 1 page or letter 1 page. So you'll want to know how many pages you have in your document and the number of words in the document. Now this says 0 now, but because nothing has been typed. But as you type, you will see that the number of words increases, and you can always get a word count here. On the bottom right, we have a zoom feature, which allows us to zoom in, make it full size or even bigger. And we have different layouts. We have a full screen, we have a print layout, which is the way it would look on paper, and that's the layout you'll use most frequently. So again, across the top we have tabs, home, insert, page layout, references, review. The review tab is going to be very useful because you have a spelling and grammar check button here. The Home tab is used most frequently, and across the top here is called your ribbon, where you find the most used commands. And then we do have the extended menu by clicking in the bottom right corner. When you're ready to quit Word, you can click on the red X in the upper right corner, or you can click on the File menu and click Exit. Now if you've made any changes to your document, it's going to ask you if you want to save the changes or not. If it's the first time you save, of course it's going to ask you for a file name. So we would type the file name here, and this tells you where it's going to be saved. If I wanted to put this in my BC116 class folder, I would double click on that folder. So now you can see the file would be saved there, and this file name would be named as you type, but you could erase that and call it first file, whatever you wanted to call it, and then click Save. And that brings you back to your desktop or whichever program you were in before you started Word.